our knife, we want to make sure again that our thumb is tucked away. It's going to feel a little bit awkward at first because you have to get those fingertips accustomed to being curled over themselves so that you can chop or cut or slice. Basically, the name of the game is to not have your thumb sticking out all by itself, so that as you are going through, like if I were cutting a pile of carrots to make matchsticks or something, I want to make sure that my fingers are tucked away so that I'm not accidentally hurting them. I actually don't always hold the full handle. Sometimes I actually hold it by the cheeks, a little bit on the spine, and a little bit with my fingers tucked up against the heel of the knife. Always want to tuck your thumbs, the non-cutting hand. So if you hold your knife in your right hand, your left hand, you want to protect that thumb. When you're cutting, it depends on the comfort of the knife in your hand. If you choke up, that's fine, because if you're doing a lot of chopping in this kind of pivot rocking motion, your hand gets tired after a while, and so having a comfortable grip is important. When I'm cutting, I'm gonna make sure that my thumb is tucked away and that I'm using my containers. If I need to cut something, I can either turn it on its flat side. So like, let's say I wanna split this carrot, I can turn it on its flat side and cut downwards, and then use the half that has the flat edge so that it's not rolling away from me. Now I can tuck my thumb away safely and cut down and slice using a pushing away rocking motion.